If Facebook's review service banned your page, you're locked out of millions in revenue, and here's how ReputationZilla gets you reinstated in 7 days. Here's the problem. Facebook flags you for fake reviews you never bought. Check your page quality tab in Meta Business Suite within 24 hours of the ban. Screenshot every review posted in the last 30 days before Facebook deletes the evidence. Facebook's automated review service flags pages when it detects patterns that look like purchased reviews, even if you're innocent. A competitor buys 50 fake 5-star reviews for your page to trigger the ban. Within 48 hours, Facebook disables your page, and you lose access to $12,000 in monthly ad spend. This is exactly why we built ReputationZilla. To handle Facebook review bans end-to-end when automation attacks legitimate businesses. Most people fail here. They appeal using Facebook's generic form and write, "I didn't do anything wrong," with no proof. Facebook's AI rejects 91% of those appeals in under 6 hours because you didn't cite the specific commerce policies section or attach timestamp screenshots. With ReputationZilla, we file appeals with policy citations, IP logs, and review timeline analysis that proves the attack. Download your page insights export from the last 90 days. Facebook keeps this data for only 2 years, and you need it to prove your review velocity was normal before the attack. Go to Insights, click the 3 dots, Export Data, select All Data, then CSV. This takes 3 to 5 minutes. ReputationZilla uses this export to build the timeline that shows Facebook exactly when the fake reviews started. File the appeal through Facebook's Request Review button in Page Quality, not the Help Center. This is important. The Help Center routes to offshore support that can't reinstate pages. The Request Review button goes to the Commerce Integrity team, who actually have reinstatement authority. Attach your Insights CSV, screenshots of the suspicious reviews, and a 200-word statement citing policy 4.2 on inauthentic engagement. Facebook responds in 5 to 10 business days. Here's the problem. Right now your page shows disabled with no revenue and no ad access. After applying steps 1 through 3, your page shows active with full ad spend restored and the fake reviews removed. Most competitors skip the Insights export, and their appeals get rejected in 6 hours. You included the data, so Facebook reinstates you in 7 days instead of never. When you write your 200-word appeal statement, use this exact wording in the first sentence. My Facebook page was disabled on date due to inauthentic review activity that violates Commerce Policies Section 4.2, and I am submitting evidence that proves these reviews originated from an external source, not from my business. Then list 3 bullet points. Review spike date, IP address mismatches if you have them, and your normal review rate before the attack. This phrasing triggers Facebook's manual review queue instead of the automated rejection. Or skip all this and let ReputationZilla do it for you. We file appeals daily and know exactly which policy lines Facebook's team responds to. My Facebook page was disabled on date due to inauthentic review activity that violates Commerce Policies Section 4.2, and I am submitting evidence that proves these reviews originated from an external source, not from my business. Download your Page Insights CSV within 24 hours. Appeal through Request Review, not Help Center. ReputationZilla handles Facebook bans end-to-end. If this helped, smash like, hit subscribe, and visit ReputationZilla at reputationzilla.org for the complete reinstatement guide. Visit https://reputationzilla.org.